Remember to click subscribe and notification button for more Appa's video.
Cooking Appa.
Hi, this is Cooking Appa. I have approximately, this is probably about 400 grams of XXL deep sea prawns here from Sabah. I'm going to do a soya sauce prawn, yeah? 豉油蝦, okay? Soya sauce prawn. So first of all, you want to remove the leg, okay? Cut away the pointy head and devein it, yeah? Devein the one at the back. Okay. Next thing, we prepare some, this is spring onion, a few slices of ginger, and you need some light soya sauce and dark soya sauce. Basically, that's it. This is very, very simple. Okay, we're going to very quickly marinate the prawn with some pepper, either white pepper or black pepper, up to you, no problem. And a little bit of light soya sauce. You can put some Shao Hsing wine for those who don't mind taking alcohol, yeah? Okay, ready for pan fry. Okay, I'm gonna put in some oil. Put in the ginger. You want to saute the ginger first, and we can put in the white portion of the spring onion. Give it a few stir until you smell the aroma coming out from both of these ingredients. Oh, forgot to on my cooking hood. Then we can put in our marinated prawn. Usually your cooking time for any prawn should somewhere between 3 to 5 minutes, yeah? Not too long. If it's too long, the meat could be mushy, yeah? So from now on, use high heat all the way. I'm going to let one side cook. For about a minute before I turn over, so that you can char the shell nicely. Yeah, anything with a shell like crabs and prawn will give you very nice enhanced flavor after you char the shell. Okay, I'm going to turn it over. Ooh, the other side is nicely charred. Right, this is the kind of effect I wanted. I want it to be nicely charred. So I'll give this side also another about 1 minute. We'll come back shortly. Okay, I actually put on the lid, yeah, to expedite the cooking process because my prawn is very thick today. So this is after another 1 minute. So this cooking time now is about 2 minutes plus. Let me turn. Okay, nice. Ooh, nice char. Okay, now I'm going to give it 1 round of light soya sauce. Let's tune down the fire first to low heat, yeah, and a little bit of dark soya sauce, some Shao Hsing wine, a little bit of salt, and a little bit of sugar. After which, I'm going to raise the heat to medium high and give it a few stir. Wow, super fragrant. And there's a little bit of sauce. I actually want to the prawn to actually soak up the sauce. Yeah, the sauce has thickened up by itself so that you can actually coat nicely on the sea prawns. Alright, you can see from the curl telling you, indicating to you that the prawn is actually almost fully cooked. I'm going to off the heat, put in the remaining of spring onion and garnish on top a little bit of onion or garlic oil. I'm using garlic oil actually, just a little bit. And give it a few stir, final stir. Our 豉油皇大虾 is done. Soy sauce big prawn. Done. Alright, so apa 豉油皇大虾 is done. You can also add some chili slices into it if you like, yeah. If you like my video, do share my video on your Facebook to your friends. Come to Cooking Appa Facebook fan page, click like and follow button. Follow Appa on Instagram and subscribe to Cooking Appa YouTube channel. Enjoy your dinner with your family. Bye bye.